This video will show you what means and how to use a breakout when it happens, and also when I send information when the breakout happens at a certain level. Is it bullish or bearish breakout, going below the support or resistance level or going above the support or the resistance level? That means with the breakout with the target. So let's take an example, and let's start here from the left side to the upside where the price is rising in value. First breakout, for example, is here, and we can see that the bullish breakout has formed here with this bullish candle going above this resistance level, this area of supply zone. So when the breakout happens, I send an information that this breakout has been formed, and especially when the candle closes, that is the most important thing. And after that, I also send information that the breakout has happened above 2857.20. We can see that the resistance level with the target where the next resistance is, that is 2870.61. So in this case, when this bullish breakout has been formed, I send information for the traders that the breakout has been formed with the target targeting here an area of resistance, a next supply zone, because this is where the price is tending to move after forming this bullish breakout. So in this case, we can see that the price has formed this indecision candle, a small one, and then formed this bullish candle, second and third one reaching the target. So this bullish breakout has been successfully, and also if you have traded that, it has been profitable. So where do you put a stop loss? That is the most important thing, and that is also based on your risk management. Usually when the breakout happens, the first stop loss on my side is also below this area of support. In this case, this is the demand zone. So my stop loss would be just below, and especially here where these two candles open and close are located. So will the stop loss be being activated? Where also you need to calculate your risk management, where you need to define the stop loss and also risk to reward ratio where you are targeting. So if your stop loss is right here and your target is here, that is probably 2 against 1 or even more, a risk reward ratio, which is very good. But also it is very important to remember that the stop loss should not be very close to this area of this demand zone, because we can see that the second candle after the bullish breakout has been formed, this week has reached this area here, and then it is very important to see where the price could reach here when bouncing back down, and also where the stop loss should be. If you would like to be on the safe side, you should also widen the stop loss, and also based on your risk management define where that is, and that could be also below this candle which has formed a bullish breakout. The next thing that you can do also is to put a stop loss at the next support level, which means if the price bounces back down largely with the wick going down, the next stop loss should be here. So if the price reaches this area, this will be probably a failed bullish breakout. Let's take another example. Let's go move forward and see where the bullish or bearish breakout has been formed. Here it is one. For example, this is a bearish breakout that has been formed below this support level, below 2870.61. We can see that this is bullish breakout has been formed, this candle below that. And we can see after that bullish break has been formed, the target is the next support level, and that means here, this is the demand zone. So I am targeting the area here. So when the price formed this bullish breakout, I send the information to the traders inside the premium analysis that the bearish breakout has been formed below this area of support, and the target is the next support level. So if you have entered here and you are targeting here, this will be a take profit. So where do you put a stop loss in this case? Stop loss is usually above this area of resistance that has been this area of resistance. This was previously support that has been broken down. So these stop loss could be placed here. But take a look here. We have a wick that has been reached, this area here, which could also trigger the stop loss. But then the price eventually has gone down to the target. So if you would like to leave more space for the price to breathe around this area of resistance if the price returns, then you can also put your stop loss above this area of the candle that has been formed a bearish breakout. And you can see if you have put this one here around this area to, just a minute, 2874, for example, 2874. This stop loss should not be activated, and this bearish breakout that has been formed, the price has reached the target. So this could be also a profitable one. Now let's move forward and see where are our next bearish or bullish breakouts. Here there was no clear bullish or breakout happening. Also here doesn't have, we do not have, here we do not have, and currently we do have here. This was a bullish breakout where I have shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. When this bullish breakout has been formed, I have said that bullish breakout has been formed above 2870 price level, which is a resistance level, with the target to the next resistance level, which is 2878.61. And we can see that the price has tried to move up, returned back down, didn't go below this area of support, this bullish breakout where it has happened, and then the price continued to rise in value, reaching the take profit. So this would be a successful one. You could also put stop loss right below this candle or just below this area of demand zone, this support level. This would be also a profitable one. Let's move forward and see is there any bullish breakouts. Here it is again one. This one I also shared inside the premium analysis with the traders. So when the breakout happened, this was here when the candle has closed, we can see the breakout has been formed, and I have sent information to the traders. It was a one sentence. A bullish breakout formed above 2885.83 with the target 2895.83. And we can see after that the price returned back down just to confirm the previous resistance, now acting as a support here and continue to rise in value, reaching the target. The stop loss, if you have placed based on the information I have provided up to now, the stop loss could be below this candle or below this broken resistance level, now acting as a support. So your stop loss could be here, and this would be also a profitable one. Now let's move forward and see is there any bullish or bearish breakout that has been formed. After that, we can see there was no clear bullish or bearish breakout here, no clear. We could have this one, but I did not send this one because it's a small area here. Then we had here a bearish breakout going below. So information, when I send information inside the Telegram group to the premium analysis traders, bearish breakout has been formed below 2905.15. This was the price level where I have sent with the target right here. And what happens that? We can see that the price returned back up, and in this candle the price has reached this target. When I say this target 2895.83, be aware that I'm not targeting especially this price level. I'm targeting an area around this one here. So you could also be conservative and put your take profit at the start of this demand zone. In this case, for example, in this bullish breakout, do not put your take profit right here, even though it is reached. Sometimes it will not reach and the price will return back down. You can also be conservative and put your take profit just at the start of this supply zone, very close to this resistance level. So in this case, this was also a profitable one. Let's move forward. Let's take a look here. A bullish breakout above 2905.15. This is the candle that has been formed. So when I send information to the traders inside the Telegram group, the target is at 2911.23. Your stop loss could be below this area of support or below the candle that has formed this bullish breakout. In this case, we can see that the price returned back down just to confirm the previous resistance. Now it's acting as a support, and the price has gone and reached the target. Again, successful and profitable breakout. Let's move forward. After that, we can see there was very close to this bullish breakout, but this was not very clear. This was a bullish breakout, but it has been failed because the second candle has returned back down. We can see that all the way. Then we can see this was also bullish breakout with the targeting here, 2931.64. The price has reached very close to this area of target, but the price returned back down and it has closed with a stop loss. This one here, this was a failed one, bullish breakout. Let's move forward and let's see what happened then. Here is a bearish breakout that has been formed. This one is also a bearish breakout below the support level, but it is very close to this next target, so it is not very good to trade because it's very narrow space, even though the price has reached the take profit level, did not go above, and also the stop loss where you could place this one. Now let's take a look here. This was a bearish breakout, and inside the premium analysis, when the breakout happens, I send information. Let's take an example here. a bearish breakout below 2905.15 with the target here at 2895.83. We can see that here. In the next two candles, we can see that price tried to move in the opposite direction, didn't go above this candle, and also it has reached this area of resistance. It has reached this one here. So if you have put your stop loss right here, it has been closed as a failed one. But if you have followed the previous examples, putting your stop loss in more conservative way, leaving the room for the price to jump up and down above this candle that has been formed, this bearish breakout, the price did not return back up, but it has gone in the direction of the take profit, so this was a profitable one. Now let's move forward again to see how the price has behaved. We have stopped it here. Let's see a bullish breakout, which is very clean. No, there is no bearish or bullish breakouts here. Here was a bearish breakout. This candle has formed a bearish breakout below this support, which is 2895.83. So in my premium analysis group, I send information with one sentence. It states like this: bearish breakout formed below 2895.83 with the target at 2885.83. So the traders can enter the trade right here when I have sent information if they would like. It is up to them to decide with take profit right here. Where the stop loss will be, it can be above this area of resistance, or it can be above this candle that has formed the bearish breakout, or even more to the upper side here. If you have put your stop loss above this candle, we can see what has happened. In the next candle, the price tried to move up, did not manage, returned back down, formed and reached the take profit. So this was also a profitable one. Let's move forward. Let's see if there is any bullish or bearish breakouts, which is very clean. This was also a bearish breakout. It is a very small area, but we can see the price has reached the next target. Let's move forward. Let's see, is there any clear bullish or bearish breakout that has been available for trading. We can see that here, we're not very clean. This was also a bullish breakout. We can see that the price is almost in the middle on the road. So this bullish breakout was with the target right here, and we can see in the next two candles the price has reached this target, which is also very good. Now let's move forward to see how the price has behaved. We can see this was a bearish breakout, but it has reached already this target, so this was not a very clean breakout. Let's move forward. Here it is, another one, a bullish breakout above 2921.22 with the target 2931.64 at this position right here. So the traders have received a Telegram notification with one sentence: bullish breakout formed above 2921.22 with the target 2931.64, and we can see this has been reached. The price did not return back down, did not reach it below this candle that has formed this bullish breakout, but it has reached a take profit level here. This is the way how do I inform the traders inside the premium analysis, and how they can use the one sentence I send to them with the breakout when it is formed with the target. The stop loss can be, and it is also on the traders to decide where the stop loss will be based on the risk management. I hope this has shed some of the light to understand clearly when I send information of the bullish or bearish breakout inside the Telegram group, so you are informed about the potential target where the price could reach. So this is the way how you can be informed inside the premium analysis, the Telegram group. If you would like also to join, if you have not already joined, feel free to join and you can ask any questions. And especially these levels that are located on the chart, I send them as a template for the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, so the traders can also use them, put them on their PC, and also to trade them on their own if they would like. If there is any questions regarding this lesson, this topic about the Telegram analysis, the premium analysis I send to the traders, feel free to ask any questions. I will be available to answer them. See you inside the premium analysis, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.